Have you ever heard of the Halifax explosion of 1917? On December 6, in the bustling harbour of Halifax, Nova Scotia, a French cargo ship laden with explosives collided with a Norwegian vessel. The resulting detonation was the largest man-made explosion prior to the atomic bomb, leveling much of the city and killing approximately 2,000 people. Windows shattered 50 miles away, and a shockwave was felt over 200 miles distant. As fires raged and the community was thrown into chaos, a blizzard struck the following day, hampering rescue efforts. This catastrophe not only reshaped Halifax but also marked a tragic yet pivotal moment in emergency response and disaster preparedness.